You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Kia Sorento. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. This versatile Sorento has what your family needs to get the most out of every journey. Available in all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, this mid-size 3-row crossover has earned its reputation for prioritizing safety, passenger comfort, cargo capacity, and connectivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, third-row seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels. You deserve the quality, comfort, and convenience this Sorento brings on every ride. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.